So Treedis is a market leader in creating 3D and metaverse experiences. Their platform allows Matterport users to create interactive, immersive experiences for any industry, including retail. Boaz has a very sweet fun fact today. He said that he met his wife while serving in the Navy. They were serving together, so I'm impressed by her as well. And that's very sweet, Boaz. Have you guys been married long?
Coming up to 3 years now.
Wow. Okay. Yep. You're really making the rest of us feel old. Congratulations on 3 years.
Thanks.
Let's get into Treatise.
All right. Thank you very much. So hi, everyone. It's great to be here. I'm Boaz, VP Product at Treedis. Treedis is a premier partner of Matterport. We allow the freedom to transform physical spaces into metaverse experiences. Treedis has developed over 200 features and solutions for every industry across the board, and our solutions are being used by over 5,000 clients. Today, we'll focus on the Treedis solution for the retail industry, the Treedis e-commerce. So let's go shopping. Before we get to the real deal, let's go over some cool enhancements you can add to your store. This is super important to get your buyers to engage with the space. Just have everything jump out and interactive. Let's jump into this interesting project we did with Google and Reliance Digital of a smart home. We start off with a green screen guide, giving us a quick overview of the shop and how to interact. And this can be any kind of message you want to welcome your buyers with, like explanations about specific products. Looking around the space, you can see all these wonderful animations and clips on the screens that just make the shop so alive. As opposed to a static and flat experience, this one is a live and dynamic experience enriched by the animation and objects easily added with our platform editor. Before walking around, I'll just go over the interface that allows this shopping experience. On our bottom bar, we have the quick cart, our favorites, and items near me that shows you what items are available to purchase in the direction you're looking at. So when I turn to the side, the items available change. And we're already working on adding recommendations based on your interest. Walking around the space, we can click on tags for more information, and you can add lead forms to pop up in the store or have a mandatory lead form upon entering the space to help generate more leads. Clicking on an item opens up a nice products pop-up, and you can click on purchase now to be redirected to the e-commerce website and purchase the item. But what if I want buyers to purchase the items within the virtual space? I was hoping you would ask that. Let's take a look at this cool Nike store in Paris that I found on Matterport Discover, captured by Pro Tour 360. Here we can add stuff to our cart and just check out and pay. Easy as pie. But if we're already here, let's take a look at a few more interesting things. Let's start off with some background music to get in that shopping mood. Notice how clean the space is, as we have all products on transparent polygons. We can search items in the side menu here. Now, we always talk about the 3D space, but what about the actual items for sale? Why don't we model those as well, so we can really get the feel of what you're buying, just like these Air Jordan sneakers that you can see. I can also drop the sneakers in the actual space on a podium or a mannequin in the shop, or use our AR app that's automatically synced with the shop to see this item in my room or help me navigate big stores and shopping malls. There's so much more to add on that, but we'll keep that for the AR Space Jam. If you're really lost and need to talk with someone, you can schedule a live demo chat with sales rep. Just make the appointment and go on a call. Remember that a personal touch means higher conversion rates. Now, Carly, hold tight because this ride is about to get bumpy. The live call doesn't have to be a one-on-one. Bring your friends along with you to just have fun shopping. You can see that everyone can connect with their avatars and see their friends and what they're looking at. This is starting to really sound like fun, kind of like an outing to the mall. Now, I know magicians aren't supposed to give away their magic tricks, but today I'm going to show you how easy it is to create your own shop. Start off by uploading the captured space of your physical shop. Don't have one? That's not a problem. Just send in a 2D floor plan of an imaginary shop and we'll create a 3D model for you, just like this one here, that isn't based on a physical space. This is some real metaverse stuff, eh? Notice how you can add translations and customize branding with your own colors, logo, and domain. This is a Matterport reseller in Thailand using Matterport to sell Matterport. I don't think you could think of a better way. Treatise has pretty much endless features for enhancing a space, but I want to focus on the easy and simple way to add a product. Once you've uploaded your space to Treatise, start adding your products easily and quickly. It will take you around 40 seconds to create a new item for sale. And when I say item for sale, I mean practically anything, just like this cool NFT shop where you can actually buy an NFT straight off the wall and add it to your own collection. Once you have your shop up and running, you can use our advanced dashboard to manage your orders, your shipping, in an easy and intuitive interface, along with a smart inventory management system. So to wrap up, Treedis V-commerce solution allows physical and virtual shop owners to create a shopping experience for their clients. Making shopping a fun and social experience is what makes shopping so exciting and generates higher revenue. Whether you're a big business or a small shop, everyone has a seat at the table. Join some of these big names that work with us. Thank you very much.
Boaz, great work. You covered so much in that presentation.
Yeah, I was racing.
Yeah, great job. Thank you for sticking to my 5-minute timeline. I have a couple questions that have come in.
Sure.
Ron says, wow, love the avatars, but what about adding gamification features? Is that possible?
Yeah, so using our experience creator, you can add gamification features. We actually had a cool joint project with Matterport where we created this game for Easter. We have to search and find eggs around the space. So if you have a shop, you can just have customers walk around and look for like coins. And if they find 10 coins, they win a discount coupon or something like that. So that definitely makes engagement higher.
Oh, fantastic. Another couple of questions that have come in. Carlos asks, how do these technologies work with VR headsets like the Oculus?
So you can walk around, you can use your VR set to see pretty much almost everything. You can also see the avatars using the VR headset. We're still focused mainly on mobile and desktop, but we certainly have a lot of integrations with VR headsets.
Okay, and then we quickly have 2 more questions before we move on to our next presenter. What about a customized solution or integration for a big retail company?
Okay, so you see there are some big names on the screen here, and we have many existing integrations like Shopify, where you can just import your whole store and you don't have to upload product by product. We also have integrations with Sketchfab and Giphy and Hexa to enhance the space and add animations. We also have for payments integrations with PayPal and Stripe. And we also have development capabilities. So we can develop any integration to a CRM for a big brand or something like that, or a different payment gateway.
Okay, great. And finally, John asked, so in theory, can you leave Zoom and just have team meetings using Treatise? We can't leave Zoom for Space Jam, but I'm sure you can have maybe Treatise hosted meetings. Is that correct, Boaz?
I didn't understand the question. What was the question?
I think his goal is to leave Zoom and just have team meetings using Treatise within a virtual store.
Yeah,
you could
so
a virtual offsite maybe.
Yeah, so we have a few clients that work with us. They have sales reps go on sales call with clients, and using our analytics, I'm just going to quickly share an analytics page. Using our analytics, we've seen that these clients have reported that this actually works. So they see higher engagement time. They can see how many users, what the user clicks on. And we also have a heat map where they can see what users are looking at. So if the sales rep is on a call with the client, he knows where to navigate him, where to take him. And we've seen that engagement time in these spaces, after analyzing our analytics, we've seen that engagement time has gone pretty much 3 times more higher than a regular space.
Fantastic. Thanks for giving us a preview of analytics and for the presentation and as a whole. Boaz,